Hello, my dear student. So now we'll see the orientation effect in substitution benzene. As you know that benzene is to give that aromatic substitution reaction, but different types of group or functional group when attached to that benzene ring, then so that next group where it should be attached or it may be attached to the ortho, meta and para position. So it is very difficult to identify the group. Already one group is present and then next group when attached to that benzene ring, so where it will attached. That's why they are having some rules, some regulations. If you know that rules, you can easily identify that that functional group will attached in which position. So the substituted rings are divided into two groups based on the type of substituent that a ring carries. First one, activated rings. The substituents on the ring are groups that donates electron, and some deactivated rings, that means some group when present in that group is benzene ring, that are known as your deactivating group, which can deactivate the ring. The substituents on the ring are groups that withdraw the electron. That means the group which can donate the electron towards the ring, that are known as activated group, and they will activate the ring system. Whereas some group is present which can withdraw or pull the electron towards this group from the benzene ring, that group are known as your deactivating group, and that's why it will produce or it will that means that a ring become that deactivated. So now you see that introduction. Example of activating group in the relative order from the most activating group to the least activating. So that NH2 or NR2 is the more highly electron activating group. That means this group, when the presence in that benzene ring, they will active the ring system. That means this group will donating that electron towards the benzene ring. As a result, benzene ring will be activated. Once it will more activated, it will give that reaction. Then OH group and R group, then NHCOR group, and then CH3 group. Other alkyl group with R as alkyl group, that is CnH2n plus 2, that is the other alkyl group. When once n equal to 1, 2, 3, you will get the different types of alkyl group. That is the least activating functional group. And some deactivating group, order of this deactivating group, that is NO2 group, is maximum effect, or it can deactivating the ring system. Then COR, then CN, CWR, then SO3H, then halogen group. The order of reactivity among halogens from the more reactive to the least reactive halogen is fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. The order of reactivity of the benzene ring towards the electrophilic substitution when it is substituted with the halogen group follow the order of electronegativity. The ring that is substituted with the most electronegative halogen is the most reactive ring, less deactivating substituent. And the ring that is substituted with the least electronegative halogen is the least reactive ring, that is more deactivating substituent. That means that group which having the electronegativity is less, then that means that group may be more deactivating group. they will deactivate that ring more than the group which is more electron negative group. Also, the size of the halogen affects the reactivity of the benzene ring that the halogen is attached to. As the size of the halogen increase, the reactivity of the ring decrease. The direction of the reaction. The activating group directs the reaction to the ortho or para position, which means the electrophile substitute the hydrogen that is on carbon number 2 or carbon number 4. If you see this two structure, that is the carbon number 2 is the ortho group, 3 is the meta group, and then 4 position is the para position. Whereas if the deactivating group is present in that ring system, that deactivating group, it will directing that newcomers group should be attached to that third position, that means meta position. The deactivating group directs the reaction to the meta position, which means the electrophile substitute the hydrogen that is on carbon 3 with the exception of the halogen that is a deactivating group but direct the ortho or para substitution. Then substituent determine the reaction direction by resonance or inductive effect. The resonance effect is the conjugation between the ring and the substituent, which means the delocalizing of the pi electron between the ring and the substituent. And what is inductive effect? So inductive effect is the withdrawal of the sigma electron away from the ring towards the substituent due to the higher electronegativity of the substituent compared to the carbon of the ring. So what is inductive effect? When an electron releasing or an electron withdrawing species is introduced to the chain of atom, the corresponding negative or positive charge is relayed through the carbon chain by the atom belong to it. This causes a permanent dipole to arise in the molecule and is referred to as the inductive effect. That means nothing is there, that is inductive effect means polarity produced inside the molecule. In that structure, that is CH3, CH2, Cl. If you see that Cl is the more electronegative atom, that's why whatever bonding electron is there, all the bonding electron will gradually shifted towards this negative charge ion particle, because it can pull the bonding electron towards the chlorine atom. As a result, that electron cloud, electron density around the chlorine atom nucleus is maximum as compared to the CH3 and CH2. That's why here you will get positive charge particle and negative charge particle. So that inductive effect means produce the polarity inside the molecule. Now see that activating group. When the substituents like OH have an unshared pair of electrons, the resonance effect is stronger than the inductive effect, which made this substituent stronger activators. Since this resonance effect directs the electron towards the ring. In case where the substituent is star or amide, they are lost the activating because they form the resonance structure that pull the electron density away from the ring system. Now you see, if the activating group is there, that means E donor in that following reaction. Once that activating group is present, that activating group will donate that electron towards the benzene ring. As a result, that benzene will be more reactive. Why? Because the excess number or electron density inside the nucleus of benzene ring will be more. Once the electron density will be more, then one carbon become the negative charge and the donor group become the positive charge. So once it will your negative charge, that means it can be easily accept the proton or electrophiles. That means this when it will gives a carbocation and carboanion, then benzene ring become that carboanion, it will be more reactive towards the electrophile. So then this electrophile, that carboanion become the more stable carbocation. If any electron donating atom is present or group is present, so it will activate the ring system and it will produce the different types of resonance structure. By this resonance structure, it will increase the activity as well as increase the stability of the ring system. By looking at the mechanism above, we can see how group donating electron direct the ortho-para electrophilic substitution, since the electron location transfer between the ortho and para carbon. Then the electrophile prefer attack to the carbon that has the free electron. Inductive effect of alkyl group activates the direction of the ortho or para substitution, which is when S electrons get pushed towards the ring system. Then if you see the deactivating group, this deactivating group always your meta-directing group. So if any kind of electron withdrawing group is present in that reaction mixture, in that compound, so that means, so then that from that benzene ring, that electron withdrawing group will withdraw the electron towards the electrophile, that is withdrawing group. As a result, that carbon, whatever carbon present inside that benzene ring, all are become that positive charge. That positive charge will, that means this carbon become positive. Then like this way, different, it will give different resonance structure. Then a structure also is your more stable structure. So electron with the presence of this electron withdrawing group, so whatever deactive, that is new functional group will attach to that compound. So the third group become the, that means third position, that is meta position, become the more active, and that's why presence of deactivating group, the coming functional group or new functional group will attach to the, always attach at the meta position. So halogens are an exception of the deactivating group that directs the ortho or para substitution. The halogens deactivate the ring by inductive effect, not by the resonance, even though they have an unpaired pair of electron. The unpaired pair of electron gets donated to the ring, but the inductive effect pulls away the electrons from the ring by the electron negativity of the halogen. Thank you.